Hello, bonjour, guten tag, buenos dias, dobrý den. Welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica Me, and today I prepared a very colorful fluid art project for you. As you can see, I'll be using the whole spectrum of beautiful colors. I'll be using titanium white, cadmium yellow, Indian yellow, cadmium red, mauve, light purple, viridian, cyan blue, and turquoise. I'm gonna show you each and every step so you can do that too. Paints are mixed, so now it's time to start creating, and I decided to pour on black canvas. The only reason why it's black is because I don't have a white one at the moment. It's size 20 by 60 centimeters, so it's quite long, and I'm gonna start by pouring this white base on my canvas. This is mixture of titanium white and pouring medium in ratio 1 part of paint, 1 part of pouring medium. Spread it everywhere. Now I'm gonna start pouring blobs of paint here and there. I'm gonna start with this beautiful turquoise. So, blob here, and then blue in it. And I also have got a little helper here with me today, so he will help me to pour these paints. Perfect, thank you very much for your help. Now I'm gonna use this piece of plastic sheet and I'm gonna swipe it all the way down. And now I'm gonna use my heat gun and pop these colorful cells. I'm using just a cheap heat gun from Lidl. You have to be careful with it. It's extremely hot. Don't burn your paint. Just very quickly, I'm gonna go over it. This is not finished yet. I'm gonna do one more thing. I'm just gonna wait about 5-10 minutes and then I will do these swipes up because I want to have an interesting background for my favorite bubbles. So after 10 minutes I came back and I'm gonna do these swipes down and up to create interesting background. And I love the smooth transition between the blue and orange. So now I'm gonna use my balloon and create a little balloon stems here in the middle part because later on I want to paint some bubbles. So let's try here in the middle. That's gorgeous. That will be perfect for my bubble. Maybe 5 big ones and some tiny ones. And also some tiny ones with my smaller balloon. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna let it dry for about a week. It needs to be completely dry and then I'm gonna show you what to do next. When the paint is dry, I'm gonna start painting my bubbles and I'm gonna start with this drawing circle tool. I ordered this online. Just search for a drawing circle tool, or you can also use compasses or just yogurt cups and draw circles. So this one is good because I can choose the size. I'm gonna start with the middle one, and I'm gonna use this whiteboard marker, and the reason why is that if I make a mistake I can easily wipe it off. You could also use acrylic marker, but it's harder to get rid of the lines which you don't want to be seen. So let's decide. First bubble here. It doesn't have to be very visible. I will cover these black circles with black color just to see where the circles will be. So let's do more. As you can see, it will be overlapping each other. And now I'm gonna start painting shadows around my circles, and for that I'm gonna use black acrylic paint and this kind of flat brush. So I put my brush in water, tap it on a tissue, then put a little bit of black paint on the tip of my brush. Perfect, like this. So I'm gonna fill all of the circles and then show you what to do next. When the shading is done, I'm gonna draw reflections on the top of my bubbles, and for that I'm gonna use acrylic marker. I will put some links in the comment below, and this is easy. I just pump it and draw these reflections. You could also do this with a tiny brush, but I prefer drawing it with marker because it's easier for me. So and I will also draw a very thin line down here. Let's say the light source is coming from this way, so that's why the reflection is here, and also a little one here. Perfect, like that. So I'm gonna draw reflections on all of my bubbles and then show you the next step. Now I'm gonna use this special mixture relief glue, and I will put the golden leaf on the top of this glue. I bought this in local art shop, and people always ask me, where can I buy this? I'm so sorry, I don't know, you have to search online. So it has got tip like this, and I'm gonna go around with this glue, let it dry for about a few hours, and then I can apply the golden sheet. Like this. So let's make the outline in all bubbles. And I'm also gonna use this type of glue, metal leaf mixture, and I'm gonna create these lines which I'll later on embellish with gold. When the glue is dry, it's see-through like this, so you know it's dry, and it's time to put golden sheets on the top of my glue. So So now it looks like this, and I looked at this painting many times. It was on my wall and I just feel like the background isn't working, so I'm gonna change it. It's completely fine if you want to keep it like this, but for some reason there is too much like gold in there, so I decided to cover the background with some metallic cracking paste, and I'm gonna mix it with Prussian blue to make it a little bit darker. I know some of you might scream, no, please don't do that, but when I don't feel like the painting is right, I just have to change it, otherwise I wouldn't like it. So sorry, if you like it, that's completely fine. You can just create something similar, but I'm gonna repaint it. After a few hours, crackle paste is dry. It created this amazing structure, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of dark phthalo blue underneath my bubbles with brush and wet wipe. And this is the result of my bubble acrylic pour with cracked background, and I'm happy that I changed the background into blue shade because now it looks much better. The bubbles just pop out of this amazing background. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it was inspirational for you. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. You can also join me on Patreon, where I share most of my tutorials nowadays. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you loads of success with your art projects. Bye!